Master the silhouette. Learning to sketch, the iconic Ford GT40 automotive enthusiasts often find themselves caught between two worlds: the thrill of driving legendary machines and the desire to capture their beauty through art. For those looking to bridge that gap, artist and filmmaker Stefan Marjoram offers a practical gateway via his specialized drawing tutorials. The art of automotive sketching. Marjoram's latest tutorial focuses on one of the most recognizable silhouettes in racing history, the Ford GT40. Rather than jumping straight into complex bodywork, his method emphasizes a logical, structural approach to sketching. The process follows a specific hierarchy of form. The foundation, the sketch begins with the tires, establishing the vehicle's stance and proportions. The framework, from the wheels, the artist builds out the front and rear fender lines. The silhouette, finally, the low-slung roofline is added, instantly revealing the iconic profile that defines the GT40. This step-by-step methodology is designed to demystify the process of drawing complex machinery, making it accessible to beginners while remaining useful for those looking to refine their technique. A diverse portfolio for car lovers, while the Ford GT40 is a masterpiece of mid-century engineering. Marjoram's channel caters to a wide spectrum of automotive design. His tutorials span various eras and styles, including vintage off-roaders, capturing the rugged, boxy aesthetics of classic 4x4s, modern Formula One cars, tackling the intricate aerodynamics of cutting-edge racing technology. This variety highlights a broader trend in digital content, the rise of niche relaxation content. Marjoram's calm delivery and methodical pace provide more than just technical instruction. They offer a meditative experience for viewers, making his channel a popular destination for those looking to unwind. Why this matters: drawing vehicles is more than just a hobby. It is a way to study industrial design and proportion. By breaking down a car into its core components, wheels, fenders, and rooflines, artists learn how engineers use shape to communicate speed, power, and purpose. Even if you never master the perfect line, following these tutorials provides a deeper appreciation for the geometry that makes a car like the GT40 a legend. Whether you are looking to pick up a pencil or simply want a soothing way to engage with automotive history, Marjoram's work offers a high-quality window into the art of the automobile. In summary, Stefan Marjoram provides an accessible, structured approach to automotive sketching that serves both aspiring artists and casual fans of car design.